Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So actually we've got two different ways to block a number. The first one is using directly our contact list, and the second option is using the dialer settings. Of course I will show you both options. So let's begin with opening the dialer, and let's block something from our contact list. So find the contact you would like to block and tap on it. Now let's tap on this info icon here. Okay, try. And here we've got more icons, so let's tap on it, and at the very bottom of it we've got a block contact. So let's tap again, and your device will ask you if you really want to do it, because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from it. So just tap on block if you are ready, and as you can see here we've got the icon which will show us that this number is blocked. So as it was said, you won't receive any incoming calls or text messages. Let's tap on more again, and as you can see you can unblock the number, but let me leave it like this. We will check if it will appear on our blacklist. So that was the first way to block a number, and right now it doesn't really matter in the second way if you will be on the contacts or recents or the keypad. Just tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. As you can see, actually at the very top we've got block numbers, so let's enter, and here we've got our blacklist. This is the number we just blocked from our contacts. Here we've got also the section in which we can add another number to a blacklist, so we can add it manually. We can enter the recent or contacts, so actually you can do it from this level, but here it is a little bit different, because after entering the contacts you will be able to mark actually a lot of them, so you won't have to do it like manually one by one, just like it was in the previous way. So just tap on done if you're ready, and as you can see they immediately appear on the blacklist. So in order to add a phone number manually, just tap on this area here, and as you can see we've got the keypad, so we can freely enter the number we want to block, and simply tap on this plus icon right here, and the same situation, it immediately appears on the blacklist. What's more, at the very top of the whole section of block numbers we've got block unknown or private numbers, so it is a cool option if you want to block actually all numbers which are not saved on your device. So just tap on this switcher to turn on this option. Obviously you can turn it off whenever you want to, the same way. If you want to unblock the numbers, you can do it just by tapping on this minus icon right next to it, and as you can see they immediately disappears. So actually that's all. This is how to block a number in your Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.